Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you're doing great. So today tutorial is about this lilac color beautiful bracelet. So let's start it. First you have to put the lobster hook in your fish wire, and I am adding two seed beads in both the wire and cross the wire from one bead like this. Now I am adding 4 seed beads to the right side of wire and cross the wire from the first bead, so we have the shape like a leaf by this process. I'm doing the same process with the left hand wire, so you have the both side leaf by the same process by taking the four beads, and you have to cross the first bead, and make sure you have to move the wire from the outside position so your leaf will be formed from outside as well. So this type of shape is made. Now I am adding two crystals, 4 mm size crystals in both wires, and again one seed bead and cross both the wires. Again now I am two crystals in both wires, and I'm doing the same process to make a leaf, which I tell you from the start. Now our first flower is done, so you have to repeat the same process to make the complete full your hand side bracelet. So you have to repeat this process and make all the flowers you want. Now I make total 12 flowers as per my hand size, so we have to the end this bracelet. So I am adding the 3 seed beads in both wire, and now add a golden chain, and you have to cross from the last beads to both wires. Now at the end I have to make a knot, so for this purpose I will reverse my wire from all the beads to make to bring at the same points. You may see the process of this to bring this your wire at the same point. Now you can see our both the wire are at the same position, so you have to make a knot and it's done. Just you have to cut the knot with the help of scissors and your bracelet is done.